Hello friends, welcome. Today we are going to discuss the guidelines. The guidelines to formulate to prepare premium quality laundry detergent powder. In most of the detergent powders, these are all the chemicals. By using randomly some chemicals in a random composition, we can get the washing powder, even we can get the washing performance. But it is not correct. If we want to prepare premium quality, if we want to formulate premium quality detergent powder, then we need to follow the proper guidelines. Not only for a premium quality product, including to prepare low cost or a medium cost detergent powders, we need to follow the guidelines. One thing. And another thing, in case of detergent powders, many formulas are available, many formulations are available. We cannot give a common formula that suits for everyone, for all purposes. It is not possible. We try to understand this point. For the example, in market, hand washing purpose detergent powder is available and machine washing purpose detergent powder is available. We cannot say which one is best. For hand washing purpose, it is best. For machine washing purpose, it is best. It is better. And one more example. Again, in market, heavy duty detergent powder is available. Baby wash purpose detergent powder is available. So we cannot conclude which one is better. For industry laborers, for automobile workers, this formulation is better. For baby dress washing purpose, this formulation is better. So the point is, before planning to formulate a premium quality detergent powder, we need to analyze our market, our customers, what they are expecting from this detergent powder, their budget, everything. So based on that, we need to go for guidelines. Let us get into the formulation guidelines. In our formulation, we need to choose safe materials, all the raw materials including packing materials. It should not affect our environment, it should not affect our health, it should not affect our fabrics, fabrics should not damage or even should not go for color fading. Preferably, all the materials should be completely water soluble and biodegradable. While formulating the premium quality detergent powder, we need to choose material from all the categories, and also in each and every category there are some guidelines how much percentage we need to take. Of course, this is not a strict guideline, just one idea only. Now let us look into the each and every category. Surfactants. Surfactants are the primary materials capable of removing the dirts in fabrics. And in case of surfactants, the combination, preferably anionic and non-ionic surfactants. This combination is suitable for detergent powder. These are all some of the surfactants being commonly used during the formulation of detergent powders: acid slurry, SLES paste, SLS powder, AOS powder, Alfox 200. Here some materials are in liquid state, no problem, we can include in detergent powder formulation. There are some methods available, spray drying method, etc. In case of a detergent powder formulation, the builders are equally important to that of surfactants. The builders are water softeners and helping the surfactants to do its role in better way. Sodium carbonate is a common builder in most of the detergent powder formulations. Of course, other builders also available: STPP, TSP, zeolites, baking soda, sodium silicates, sodium citrate, citric acid, in many more choices. Next, anti-soil redeposition agent. To get superior washing performance, this is important category, important material. In case of, during the washing process, after the removal of dirt from the fabrics, in rinse water, there are full and full soil particles. It is looks like a brown color liquid. So there is possibility for again redeposition of that soil particles over the surface of the fabrics. So we cannot get the superior finishing after the washing process. So we need to add a anti-soil redeposition agents. These are all the common examples being used in detergent powder formulation. Carboxymethyl cellulose, CMC, PVPK30, polyacrylic acid, polyvinyl alcohol, etc. To get superior finishing, bleaching system is unavoidable category, unavoidable material. Surfactants are capable of removing the dirt, not stains. So we need to include bleaching system. Bleaching system means bleaching agent with activator. Bleaching agent alone are not effective in normal temperatures in all range of pH. So we need to include activator also. In detergent powder formulation, sodium percarbonate, sodium perborate, these are all common bleaching materials, and the common activator is TAED. Enzymes also one of the unavoidable categories in detergent powder formulations to remove the stains to get the perfect superior washing performance. At least three enzymes we need to include: amylase, protease, lipase. If possible, if budget allows, we can consider to include cellulose and manganese. Next, optical brighteners. It is not the cleaning materials. It is for the purpose of optical illusion. They will make the colored fabrics more brighter and white colored fabrics as more whitening look. In simple point, it will improve the visual satisfaction for customers. Tinopol is a most common example. Apart from these categories, we need to include some extra materials, detergent additives, depends upon the formula if required. For the example, if necessary, we can include fabric softeners or anti-caking agents, corrosion inhibitors, disinfectants. Disinfectants are required for some hospital purpose, washing purpose, or some baby dress washing purpose in some cases. And foaming, defoaming agents. This is depends upon the machine washing, front load or top load or hand washing. Depends upon that particular point. Chelating agents, pH buffers, etc. Next, fillers. After choosing the surfactants and other active materials, additives in detergent formulation, the remaining portions should be filled up with the fillers. Fillers are not only for the purpose of reducing the cost, and also it is playing many more roles in detergent powder. Fillers will improve the storage, handling, packaging, and flow properties. In detergent powders formulation, the best choice is technically zeolites, but it is costly. The next one is sodium sulfate. The next best choice is sodium sulfate, and also we can consider the remaining choices: sodium chloride, silicates, baking soda, dolomite, etc. In case of dolomite, it is not a water soluble material, and also if we are using excess amount of dolomite, there is possibility for a deposition of white color particles over the surface of the fabrics. Perfumes. In detergent powder formulation, I feel lavender perfume is most suitable. Or otherwise, you can choose any perfume as per your choice or as per your customer's choice. Next, preservatives. Generally, in a detergent powder formulations, we are not adding water, so there is no possibility for microbial growth. And even we are maintaining pH more than 10 for all the detergent powders, at least 10 pH. So in such higher pH, there is no possibility for microbial growth. This is the technical detail. Even though we need to consider to add preservatives, the reason is, even though we are not including water as one of the raw materials, in detergent powder there is possibility for presence of some amount of water. Even though we are saving the raw materials, doing the spray drying, whatever it is, some amount of moisture will be there, more or less in all the raw materials. So water will be there, one thing. And another thing, For professional purpose, it is advisable to include a preservative. So these are all common preservatives, be it sodium benzoate and potassium sorbate, this combination, or even phenexethanol also we can use. We need to give the samples for a standard lab analysis, and we need to get the test certificate as per the government norms. Apart from that, we can check the quality parameters physically. First of all, we need to ensure the superior washing performance, and then we need to ensure the washing performance in different types of water. I mean, normal water and salt water. I mean, the point is, in particular area, even the water is having more TDS, it should give the superior washing performance. And also, we need to ensure that the fabrics are not damaged and no color fading, all those things. And another point is, we should not feel any itchings in our skin if we are wearing the washed clothes. We need to check its solubility and also pH, and we need to ensure the moisture content within the limits, and we need to ensure the foaming properties depends upon the formula, the foaming should be there. And the final point is, we need to ensure the fragrance retention. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video. We will meet in our upcoming videos, and your suggestions and feedbacks are always welcome.